Pulse News here with your daily roundup of free and open source software stories. System 76 enhances Cosmic OS with battery percentage feature. System 76 has released version 1.0.5 of its Cosmic operating system, introducing an option for users to display battery percentage prominently on the taskbar. This update aims at improving user experience by providing a clearer indication of remaining battery life directly in view. In addition to this new feature, System 76 continues to enhance Cosmic's usability and customization options, reinforcing its commitment to offering robust tools tailored for developers and power users. LibreOffice 26.2 launches with new features. The latest release of LibreOffice, version 26.2, introduces several new enhancements and features aimed at improving user experience. This update brings notable improvements to document compatibility, particularly with Microsoft Office formats, ensuring smoother transitions between platforms. Enhanced support for PDF/A-3 compliance is also included, which benefits archival purposes by allowing embedded files within PDFs. GNOME 50 introduces virtual monitor enhancements. The latest GNOME update, version 50, brings significant enhancements to virtual monitor support and remote desktop functionality. This release includes better handling of HIDP displays when using remote desktop applications like VNC or RD, providing clearer visuals and improved user experience. The GNOME team has focused on optimizing performance for various display configurations, ensuring smoother transitions between different screen resolutions and orientations. NVIDIA's DLSS considered for Blender. The integration of NVIDIA's deep learning supersampling DLSS into Blender is currently under review, but licensing concerns remain unresolved. Developers are interested in leveraging DLSS to enhance rendering capabilities within the popular open-source 3D software. This technology could significantly improve performance by reducing render times and boosting frame rates through AI-driven upscaling. Support for Swift 3 finger gestures in libinput update. The latest release candidate of libinput, version 1.31, introduces support for fast 3 finger swipes on trackpads. This feature enhances multitasking by allowing users to quickly switch between workspaces or applications with a simple gesture. The update also includes various performance improvements and bug fixes, making it more efficient and reliable for Linux desktop environments. Enhanced compatibility with newer hardware ensures smoother interactions across different devices. LibreOffice 26.2 enhances features. LibreOffice version 26.2 has been released, bringing a host of refinements to the open-source Office suite. This update offers improved compatibility with Microsoft Office formats, ensuring smoother document exchanges between different platforms. The user interface also sees enhancements, including streamlined workflows and intuitive navigation, aimed at enhancing productivity for all users. AMD expands FPGA portfolio with Kintex UltraScale Plus Gen 2. AMD has announced the expansion of its FPGA offerings by introducing the mid-range Kintex UltraScale Plus Generation 2 series. This new lineup enhances data center capabilities and supports complex workloads such as AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing. The Kintex UltraScale Plus Gen 2 FPGAs deliver improved power efficiency and increased logic density compared to previous generations. New Coreutils 9.10 enhances system tools. The new release of new Coreutils version 9.10 introduces a host of enhancements to essential system utilities. This update focuses on improving user experience and compatibility across various platforms, with significant changes aimed at increasing functionality and fixing long-standing bugs. Key improvements include enhanced handling for UTF-8 uncoded file names, which addresses critical issues faced by users in non-English locales. Leveraging UrunC for efficiently running BSD apps in Linux. The introduction of UrunC enables a seamless execution of BSD applications within Linux environments. This advancement offers developers the flexibility to run BSD software without needing a separate BSD system, thanks to its compatibility layer that mimics BSD behaviors on Linux platforms. By utilizing UrunC, organizations can reduce costs and streamline operations by maintaining one operating system while benefiting from both BSD security features and Linux's extensive ecosystem. Dank Fedora updates. New miracles in version 44. Fedora 44 brings a suite of fresh updates, including the worthy integration of Dank and Miracle OMEN. Dank serves as an extensible package manager, enhancing customization capabilities for users by allowing them to create personalized repositories with ease. This development aims at providing more flexibility and control over software installations, addressing user demands for tailored system configurations. Enhance Linux performance for HP OMEN 8E41 laptop. A new update is set to improve Linux performance on the HP OMEN 8E41 laptop. This fix targets a known issue related to Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI, that has affected system efficiency under Linux. The improvement will enhance resource management and reduce latency, offering smoother multitasking and better overall responsiveness for users running Linux distributions. Intel Core Ultra-X7 358H excels in Linux benchmark tests. The Intel Core Ultra-X7 358H, part of the Panther Lake series, shows impressive performance and power efficiency under Linux. The CPU demonstrated strong results across various benchmarks, especially in multi-threaded applications. Notable improvements were seen in both computational speed and energy consumption compared to previous models. That's a wrap for FOSS Pulse News today. Stay free, stay open. Join us tomorrow for more free and open source software coverage.